So while I'm not going to try to make this a long video, it may be a little long. I'll try to speed through a lot of it, but this is a day in a life vlog, okay? And I'm starting late because last night I really did not feel good at all, okay? I was trying to detox my body from eating poorly, okay? I stopped doing the carnivore diet, and when I stopped that, I realized my body does not like sugar. I would be more tired than anything. But anyway, that's a story for another day. So look what I got. Like I said, I'm so behind on getting things done. I still haven't done my roses here. They're still sitting in the garage. But first, I have to get something out of my truck because, like I told y'all, we are renovating. So guys, don't look at the fact that I have a cardboard here to put my boots on. So these boots I got from Hickory, and they come with a lifetime warranty pretty much. And I'm waiting to hear back from them. And I normally don't wipe my boots off, but I want you guys to see that they clean off really easy. I just don't clean mine, as you can see here, but they clean up really well. But I need a new pair, so I'm hoping that they send me a new pair because these have started separating a little bit right here. But I'm about to head out, and I wanted to show you these. Check the link in the description box, and I believe it's still a discount on them. I'm not sure. So let's get busy because I'm so behind on everything that I have to do. So first of all, I went to Tractor Supply just to look around, and I did need some of these, so I got an extra one. I know one of my rabbits bottles, the sun has cracked it. I just replaced 2 of the other ones, but I had already had some, so I didn't have to go out and buy it. I just reuse it. Now I'm just using a bowl in one of them. I'm not even buying anymore, but I did get 2 of these right here because they were cheaper in this Tractor Supply that was in South Carolina than it is here in North Carolina. And then I finally got my fake eggs for my birds. Not that I need them because they've been laying just fine. And then I found this hen healer right here. Now they have the spray, but the spray was like $20, y'all, and that was on sale. But this right here is like a salve. So this you can put on the chickens, you know, keep them from pecking, like if they have a wound or whatever. So I got that. All right, I bought this here because it's fly season. Okay, when it starts getting warm, the flies, the gnats, those bugs start coming out, and they're over there with my rabbits. Which, speaking of rabbits, I have to go. So I actually have to clean out their bins. That'll be the part that I'll fast forward through, but I'm going to show you me doing it because I want you to see this stuff is not easy, y'all. And y'all know what? I want more animals. Gotta talk my husband into that though. I do want maybe some Nigerian dwarf goats. And I'm just going to put that out in the universe. And if it comes back to me, then I'm supposed to have it. I've been watching other people on YouTube who have those Nigerian dwarf goats in their backyards. And they live in the suburban area. I live more in a rural area now. The neighborhood behind me that I'm going to put my fence up, of course. But the neighborhood behind me, they have a HOA. I'm in a corner lot, and I'm not even in a part of that neighborhood, so I'm considered rural. I have already checked my ordinances before I even got rabbits or chickens to see what I can have or not have, and they don't have a limit on what I can have. I can have as many animals as I want to have here as long as I maintain them and don't have a distraction like with the odor and stuff like that. And there's things you can use with that because I use them now with the rabbits, something to mask the urine because the urine can be really strong. So anyway, look what I got. So I got this right here because we are renovating, but we have paused on that because financially we just did not have it, and we still don't have it. So we get little things here and there, and then when we get a bulk of enough things that we can actually start doing some stuff, then we get started. That's how we're going to do it. So this is a kitchen sink. I know it's upside down, but this is a farmhouse sink, and it's not the white one. I wanted the white one. My husband talked me out of it because he wanted the silver one, and it actually looks good. I've seen them in other people's homes, and I like the silver one too. I didn't think I would, but I do. Don't tell them I said that. Anyway, I got to get this out, put it in the garage, and then head down to the chickens. And I'm going to show you this stuff, the chickens, you know, the animals, but I'm going to speed through that part. So the video is hopefully not too long because I still got to go and check my plants because I bought some starts, y'all. It's okay to buy starts. It really is. We'll talk about that later.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing never will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try.
Okay, so you see this right here is up. So the flies can go in, but they're not supposed to be able to get out. So I'm supposed to snap it up. That would hope you can see in there. And this does have a smell. It says it takes about 2 to 5 hours to activate. And then this is the fill line that I filled it with the water to here. I dropped that packet in. I didn't open the packet. I can smell it. So hopefully the flies that's over here with, and I don't have that issue with the chickens, but just with the rabbits. So you can hang this up. I'm not going to hang it because honestly I don't really have anything to hang it on. Well, I can hang it from a post over there with a zip tie or a string, but I'm just going to sit it on the bin over there and they should be attracted to it. So let me get back to what I'm about to do. I gotta grab my gloves though.
Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be holy, holy. I'm not asking for a God, just as long as you show me some ordinary love. So kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine. Don't need much to believe, doesn't have to be holy, holy. When it's ordinary love, ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah, wanna fix, wanna heal where it's hurting. Gonna put out the fire where it's burning. I will be there with all of my being. Ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah, don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid.
Okay, so I'm going to do the other 3 bays without recording them, and then we'll jump into me giving the chickens a little mealworm treat, and then we'll go inside so I can show you my plants. And I also have to get my onions in the ground, but before I can do that, I have to add my amendments. Okay, so I just finished feeding all the rabbits. They have hay, water. I even did double water on some of them because it's getting hot, and the ones I know drink a lot of water. I gave Red some more water. She's in there eating hay right now. And I gave Peter some more water in the bowl. So they have water here and they have water in the bowl as well. 3 of them do anyway. The other 3 don't drink as much water. Well, Luke does, my big Flemish giant down here. He does, but he's been doing okay lately. I gotta fill his up. I thought I did, but I didn't. And I did do Lily up here. And so you can see I got a zip tie and I hung it on this nail, and hopefully the flies will go in there. So this is diatomaceous earth. It just came in the mail the other day because I couldn't find any in Lowe's, Home Depot, or wherever you find this stuff at. So I had to order it online. But I'm about to sprinkle some on the ground in there and also in their food. And it does not hurt them at all. So these are the fake eggs that I bought. This is the real eggs that I found outside of the actual coop. They can't wait till they see that gate open up. Look what I got. She flew up to get it. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I'm going to put some over here because I want them to scratch over here. This next week I have to do a clean out and put this in my compost, add new amendments, I will call them amendments, shavings to this run area right here. So this video was longer. This is actually a whole different day. I didn't do, you know, an ending to that video, and I didn't just want to end it abruptly. So that's it for today. I had to split it up because I was doing so much that day. This video would have been over an hour long. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment down below. And I love you, but God loves you more. He created only one you. Be the best you that you can be. And when you are, go out and spread God's love. Peace, love, and light. Thanks so much for being here on Tommy's Carolina Homestead, formerly TOMMYBITES.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?